routine. Well, this right here is for your plotting like a cemetery. Mr. Coop's downfall, praying for the end of me. Now I ain't got much, but fuck with what I got. You might be back up in the cemetery under that clock. So out the way I'll clear a path, cause we can't be stopped. Fake and soft like a feather, we hard as a rock. And all the corrupt two-faced judges wanna try and sentence me. I'll replenish all my sanity, we switch around some Hennessy. So tell me where's the weak, talking shit behind our back, looking for 666 ways to get smacked. Could've come to us first, but the nuts you girls lack. Now you're peeking out your window waiting for the attack. Retaliation's a must, so keep it up and get smacked. If you wasn't riding in rust, you'd probably be jacked. For your wheels and your mind like your brain's been hacked. You're the glitch in the matrix, you're a scratch on the track. I'm like an upsized anything, you itty bitty snack. Think you're stepping up? Boy, you best to step back. Known for bad deeds done for free, not dirt cheap. Not known for snitching, telling tales of deceit. I keep it real 100 dot slash dot. That's 100%, no playing games, hard to stop. Recognise a real soldier, loyalty amongst brothers. Retaliate an eye for an eye, run for cover. Ain't saying we the baddest, but the truest we might be. Ain't you heard? Mr. Coop's down with the KDB. So I was wearing British Knights and listening to cassettes. Where I come from, I'll never forget. I'm sick of walking streets, these streets be cold. And I'm promising myself I'ma quit when I'm old. Get up out of this game before the game takes a hold. Already scarred from this life, streets take their toll. You know that I've been known to have a better life fetish. If I see a better life, you know I gotta go get it. And all the fake rich rappers keep sipping on your champers. We're here to stay, you're like some overnight campers. Our shit ain't gotta be a decade old to be a classic. Still have people talking in 10,000 like Jurassic. Leave our mark and still stay underground like a fossil. Ripping mics like a raptor, impact life I'm colossal. Houston to Atlanta, Uganda banging in UK, Germany to Ohio, all the way to SA. My flag's always at half mast for the missing ones. My gun's always loaded locked for the mission, son. Back up or prepare for the collision run. Ain't saying it again, so better listen, cunt. Yeah, you're hearing Mr. Nice Guy and that's all gravy, but how many know Mr. Coop who know he crazy? Cause being broke ain't no joke, it's a necessary evil. Without being broke, there wouldn't be rich people, wouldn't be nobody to buy my damn albums, wouldn't be nobody for the smug to look down on, wouldn't be nobody to rise above and overtake, wouldn't be nobody to fuel me with their damn hate. So I'd hate to burst your bubble, but this life can be a bitch, especially when you're down, looking up at all the rich. Just keep your head up, cause only strong will survive. Just keep grinding, hustling hard, working 9 to 5. Cause cash won't make you happy, but can brighten your day. But I blow the cash on Kush to blow the problems away. So I'm busy thinking of a way to make $1 in this sitch. Busy trying to make $1, get myself up at this bitch. Stuck in this sitch like another Matrix glitch. Still digging hits while you're digging your ditch.